In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cancel your universal credit claim online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The way to properly cancel your universal credit claim is done through the UK government website. So using a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to www.gov.uk. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to find the universal credit option listed under the popular articles, but if you don't see it here, use the search function to look for universal credit. You will be able to select the main universal credit article, and in here you have all the information necessary in order to claim and cancel your universal credit. In order to cancel it properly, go to this option, Report a Change of Circumstances. You will be able to read through all the information here. You need to be aware of all of this in order to properly cancel it, and if you align with any of the reasons listed here, you have two options to report and cancel your claim. You can either sign into your account by clicking this option and cancel it online. Sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this process on screen because I don't have an active account, but as long as you sign in using your credentials, you will be able to cancel your claim online. Or alternatively, if you select this option, How to Claim, and you scroll down, you will be able to find the Universal Credit Helpline in here, and as long as you call any of these numbers listed here, you will be able to ask for help on canceling your Universal Credit claim. Regardless of which option you pick, either by canceling it online by yourself or by calling the helpline, you will be able to manage and cancel the claim. I hope I was able to help you on how to cancel your universal credit claim online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.